Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with my fidget toys, and I'm gonna do a quick overview of my collection because you guys requested it, and I really hope you're gonna enjoy this one. But hey, don't forget to like this video if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're enjoying the stuff that I'm showing to you. So let's get started. There's no particular order here. I'm just gonna go starting like with this pretty cool Zirc Mahjong slider. This guy slides up and down, designed by Tom EDC, and it's a really cool one indeed. Then we've got a very similar option. This is just titanium. It has a nice knight on a horse. It is also a slider, magnets and roller bearings going on. Tom EDC as well. Very nice indeed. Then check this out. That is the Muji Guy one. This is a double spinner. It's just fantastic. Spins here, spins there. This one is the cupronickel and no, sorry, that's the steel and brass, because they come in a set, and that's the cupronickel and copper. So just a fantastic spinner. I love this. Then we've got some other spinners here. This is the AC/DC Start in Zirc and brass. It's a spinner, fantastic one. And it's also a clicker, and it's just beautifully done. This guy also can become like a ring spinner. You just pop this guy out and he's gonna spin around your finger, and that is a beautiful thing. So just make sure you put it back in the right direction, and that's it. Also another really cool one, guys. Decision Commander. That's a beautiful button and spinner. It's a very cool one. Like that's it's just the sound of this one. It's really interesting spinner and clicker as well. Then we've got another spinner here. Lauti. This is the Zirc Sam. Very cool. Also, this guy, you can pop the center out. It turns into a finger ring spinner, or just like a regular spinner like that. Really cool option indeed from Lauti. Very nice. Then I just want to show you another spinner. That's the Mackie Capsule spinner, titanium and copper. Just a gorgeous design. One of my favorite spinner. This guy can spin like for a long time. So very nice one. Next up, we've got a beautiful one. That's the Black Mirror design. That's the telephone dial. It is a clicker, but also a spinner. If you remove the internal magnets, this guy is gonna spin like crazy, and it's gonna have a very cool sound indeed. So let me just space a little bit more here and see if we're gonna be able to fit all these toys in one shot. Then I'm just gonna go with this guy here. This is the mini donut from ACEDC, Zirc brushed. Haptic coin, very pleasant sound, nice feel. It's looking so simple and minimal, and I love it. Very good. Then I'm gonna show you some other haptic coins. That's the Ambury Time Mascus polished central fade. Very good feel. Also the sound, nice and snappy. Very pleasant indeed, guys. Also from Ambury, as you can see their logo, we've got the Taken. That's a beautiful design, nicely deeply etched bronze. It just opens if you do it like too strong, but very pleasant sound. And of course I love the alien abducting this guy who went for a camping night in the woods. Very cool. Then we've got Ambury and Mackie coin, haptic coin collaboration, titanium and copper. Super pleasant feel, nice sound. Of course, these haptic coins they're coming with a set of magnets and a set of roller bearings. This one also have swappable copper inlays, How cool is that? Then another Mackie coin, that's the 3rd anniversary titanium coin, pretty soft. Also you can swap these two sides. And it's a very, very nice one. I'm telling you, Mackie and Ambury can make some pretty nice coin. And that's the NJT hand power. That's the UFO. The sound of this guy is just amazing. This is Damasteel Haptic coin. Probably the loudest. I mean, guys, this is a fantastic sound. Probably, yeah, the loudest of my coins. And here, look at that. Nighthawk, Zirc Corona edition. Absolutely fantastic indeed. And then another one. Here we've got the Gravit Sapa from Compoform. This is a clicker, a slider. You see, it slides. There's magnets. There's ceramic ball bearings, and also there's another ceramic ball bearing here. This is like a spin top. It spins. It clicks. It slides. I mean, how cool is this? Really, really nice. And we have another one from Nighthawk, Zirc. That's the war theme. And it's very, very nice indeed as well. And then we can go with these guys. That's the ACEDC Gamer. That's the D-pad. So you can click it. This is the blasted Zirc version. It clicks. And also it's a haptic coin, which spins. And it's just so good, like to the touch, that it's really, really pleasant to play with. And its brother is gonna be this guy. That's also ACDC, or is it ACEDC Gamer. That's the slider, because this guy slides, you see? Slides up and down, left and right. It clicks, but not only slides, just can also rotate. And as you can rotate, you can slide it around and make like very, very complex noises with this guy right here. And then check this out, of course, Lauti. That's the shuffle with a pair of kings in copper and brass. You can also find this one in the stainless steel version. I have this one, which is just sealed, but version 2, I'm not gonna open. This is kind of like one of my grails. Can just maybe leave it here, but yeah, it's just that. And then look at this. This is Wu EDC Loon. That's the Doji shield in stainless steel. It's a slider. You've got a set of 12 magnets. You can just slide it and have this beautiful, beautiful sound coming out of it. Very, very cool. And another one also designed by Mr. Henar. That's the Wu EDC Loon armor slider with this wicked inlay in the back. Great work, great sound, great feel. I love this guy. And then next up, look at this boy. That is a fantastic one. You see, that's the Ruisha. That's the Spaceship Titanium. These are inlays, titanium inlays. This guy also has a set of 12 magnets. Very delicate sound. It's super fidgety. You see, you can rotate this guy like that. It's just still gonna go. Very, very unique piece indeed. And then another interesting one is this one Scarab. This one is a slider clicker, so you just push it like that and it will want to come back, you see. There's no coils or anything, just a set of magnets like placed like in this way. And these two pins with running into these tracks. And can be really, really loud if you want. So that's this guy. And then what can I show you? This one. This is free EDC. It's a haptic coin, stainless steel, with this nice engraving going on. Pretty cool skull on this side, and also this floral kind of like scroll theme going on. Nice sound. It's also very pleasant. And then there's a set of EDC Loon bulletproof, also Wu and Mr. Henar designed bulletproof shield. This guy is the Zirc one. And then we've got Fab banging onto the camera, and then this is the 71, which is in stainless steel, so each one will have a different sound. Then of course you've got the Error number 4, this is made of brass, and then we've got a 76, which is cupro-nickel, really cool and different sound indeed. And of course we've got titanium. This is a one-off, this is a custom made with custom dual anodization, just a fantastic option. And of course I've got also this one, which is kind of like my grail. This is the number 1 titanium sealed, and you see that there's some pretty cool anodization going on in the scale. So let's just put this guy here, like a little bit to the side, like that. And then we've got another really popular one. That's the Mackie Capsule. This is a slider, you see, but it slides like in two, with 2 sides. This side over here is hinged, and it has like a kind of like a ceramic ball bearing going on in these grooves and making this noise. And on this side you've got magnets. It's not hinged, and it's kind of making this amazing sound right here. So just like a gorgeous one, really popular. Gamer Pro, guys, Zirc. This is a spinner, of course, like that. It's a clicker here, but you can also just push this guy out, and again, finger ring spinner. This is just becomes like just a button clicker, so very pleasant. And this guy goes back like this. We can actually put in this position like so we have a little bit more room for the next upcoming toys. Actually, let's do like that, so it's gonna be nice. Then I have this guy over here that I want to show you. Black mirror design, that's the hammerhead. This guy is spinning in this way, the ends are spinning in that way, both of course, and this guy gets combined with this tool here, which is like an actual tool, like for you can just use like your bits. It's a screwdriver basically, glass breaker option over here, fantastic milling. It's fidgety because there's a spinning area, and you can transform this guy into this guy. So the screwdriver, this spinner becomes like a hammer, which you can just spin it like that. It comes with an extra cap to mount this together, and it's just a crazy cool one. I'm just gonna put this guy right over here and this guy right over there, so I can show you some other toys. In the last row, we're gonna put this black mirror design. That's the bullet. It's a very complex one. There's a central part spinning and rattling with some ball bearings on the inside. If you try to keep it balanced at the center, it should be kind of silent, like this. If you tilt it, it's gonna be rattling. And of course, you've got these 2 extremities which are repelling. Like that's like a levitation mode activated, and you can also have it this guy like that and have it spin. I mean, how cool is this? This guy comes with a acrylic base, and you can just use it like that as a desktop thing. I hope it shows something like that. It's gonna be all right. And then another couple of Haptic coin. That's the diamond, also from Ambury coin. Ambury, yeah, it's a Haptic coin. Mid-size. This guy is made out of bronze, and it's the Icarus with a super fine engraving going on. It's textured. I mean, it's very cool indeed. There's another couple options here that I want to show you. That's the stipple. Also, I believe this is in bronze. Yes, that's brass, sorry. Stipple is one of my favorite patterns because of the feel that gives to your hand. And Very similar to the Icarus, we have the Poseidon over here. Just beautiful, guys. I mean, look at this dude riding this. I think this is called Antlerfish, and it's just a gorgeous one. Really, really cool indeed. Then, of course, same size. We've got the Ambury, and that's the polished Zirc mid-size Haptic coin. Fantastic one, truly. Let's me just, yeah, because we're not gonna have enough room, I can already tell. Another couple here. ACEDC, that's the Spirited Away limited edition coin in Zirc. You got Chihiro and all the characters from the movie. It's just a gorgeous, gorgeous movie, guys. If you didn't watch this, do it, because it's a fantastic one. And this coin is just something really cool to have. And what else we have? Oh, of course, this is Black Mirror design. That is the Choclick. It's a Zirc bar, and it's a slider. Slides to the side and slides up and down with a fantastic sound, 100 made. So it's a pretty limited edition indeed. And I'm already seeing that we don't have much room here, so let's just do something like that, because I want to accommodate the last three pieces, which are fantastic. Lauti and Muji collaboration chess series. That's the pawn. Fantastic one. Absolutely gorgeous. You've got the rook, which is the only piece that is spinning up and down. Cupro and copper for the bishop as well, with a pretty cool Zirc polished bearing on top. And these three guys, by the way, they also come with a wooden tray to allocate the three of them. So I mean, this is a pretty cool collection, I think. As of May 2021, that's what I have. Probably it's gonna change in 5 minutes, but don't worry, I'm gonna keep you updated with some new addition. And as usual, don't forget to like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content right over here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Really, thanks for watching, and stay tuned.